So, Blessing Boat. This coming Saturday is going to be the 20th. January 20th is not Inauguration Day this year, but it will be Blessing Boat. Soon we'll be making another run at 11 o'clock Eastern, which means 12 Central. The Blessing Boat promises something for everyone. So don't just come to see me. There are other streamers who are going to be on Blessing Boat as well. I do not know who they are though, because the schedule has not been posted. I think there's a technical snafu happening over there at the Blessing Boat. I'm going to overuse that until it's worn out. What other song can I sing about? Rock the boat, baby, rock the boat, tip the boat over. Am I showing my age? How much am I showing my age by singing these songs about boats? I don't know any of the new songs about boats. Is there a new song about boats? About boats. So I had a voice chat with Scannion, not his real name, I'm sure. Sknnain. Scannion, if you want to follow someone who's very knowledgeable about the Bible, he told me all his degrees that he has. First of all, he has more than one degree, and one of those degrees is a doctorate, and some others of those are masters of something or other, something about Bible, something MDiv, and something or other. So he knows a lot about their Bible, and what I've come to realize, hold on to your horses, hold on to your socks and your horses. Newsflash, the Bible is a very big book. True. You can know a lot about the Bible and still know hardly anything about the Bible. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Had a talk with a pastor from the church I've been attending, and he says that there's a lot of people, he's probably talking about me, who have been listening to these podcasts, and they know a lot about a certain subject, and they come and challenge the pastor as if the pastor has never thought about these subjects before, and makes the pastor look like he doesn't know what he's doing. I think he may have been talking about something I know. Maybe he was talking about somebody who I've met. Someone in my mirror, possibly. Tell you what, I'm down, black it out. Let's see what happens when I black this out. See what it looks like without the pencil marks. Almost there. Almost there. I see a blue line and I want to paint it black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black.